Okay, go ahead and tell me.
The bird flew away when I was trying to kill it.
Why are we trying to kill a bird?
Cause want to give Daddy a lunch.
Give Daddy a lunch?
Yeah.
He doesn't like to eat birds.
I love birds.
What do you like about him?
Eating them.
What were you telling me? You saw a human bird.
I just was walking to it.
Okay, tell me about it.
And I was going to look at it, but no way.
Where was it?
It was right on the road.
By our house or here?
It flew away when I was trying to walk to it.
At home or right now? Like when was this? When you found that dead bird? I mean the dead mouse or the dead rat?
Huh?
When?
It was far, it was not that far. It was back home.
Okay, so when we were at home, you saw...
Rat.
Uh-huh, and? What else? Tell me about it.
Bird.
Okay, tell me about the bird.
And I was trying to walk to it, but it flew away. And a skeleton.
And you what?
And a skeleton.
And a skeleton?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me about it. Oh yeah, we saw that a while ago. Okay, tell me what else?
And a rat.
Mm-hmm.
And birds. And birds.
Okay.
Hold it.
You can hold that and talk.
I was trying to kill a bird, but I couldn't. So I just